Hi, it's Craig Maythrough here from Strategic Wealth. Well, today I'm going to have a look at how you take a more ethical approach within your superannuation. So, what is ethical investing? Well, it generally means investing in companies that have a good environmental, social, and governance policy. And the good news is that most industry funds now have investment options that cater to a more ethical approach to investing. So you can see on the screen, most big super funds have an option that you can select that will take a different approach to investing. So that different approach to investing means using filters or screens to look for positive and negative aspects to their companies that they might invest in. So the most common one is a negative filter. So these are the things that they choose not to invest in. And so you can see a range of the major ones that you tend to find on their list. So weapons, fossil fuels, tobacco, gambling, human rights issues. So companies that that are involved in these activities will be excluded from the investment mix. So the most common question is, will I get better or worse returns by investing ethically? So the answer is, well, both, because it depends on what approach they're taking. But we do know that since many years ago, when ethical investing did mean a trade-off in returns, nowadays you can certainly get an equal or sometimes better return by investing ethically, but it really depends on the quality of the super fund and what investment approach they're taking. Because in some cases, you're excluded from investing in some of the best companies or best performing companies on the stock market. So the question is, how do you select the best ethical option? So with all those super funds to pick from, how do you pick one that might suit you? Well, different funds invest under a different set of rules. So it's about determining what matters to you. And of course, looking at the quality of the super fund and the track record that they have for investing ethically. So you can approach investing ethically a couple of different ways. One is you could move all your money into the ethical option, or you could have still keep the same investment options that you currently have, but add a little bit of a tilt to add some ethical approaches to your investment mix. Now, clearly, that is a very short introduction to investing ethically within your superannuation. So it's really there to highlight that there are options to consider if that's something that you would like to add to your investment approach. So if it is, please reach out and get in touch, and we'll explore what investment options and approaches might be best suited to you. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.